So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install mods in your Minecraft. So first of all, what you're going to do is launch your T launcher like this. Then you're just going to get a version which is compatible for which you're going to download the mods. So here I have selected Forge 1.21.1, and you can download the mods from a couple of sites like CurseForge and many more. So here you can see this is CurseForge. So I'm just gonna use this. Here I have selected the Traveler's Backpack mod. So I'm just gonna click on download, and here I'm gonna select Forge. On the game version, I'm gonna select 1.21.1, as I can download it, but I cannot download 1.2, as it is not available in Forge. So let's go with 1.21.1. Now I'm just gonna click on it and it's gonna download. So let's just wait a second. Let's try again. Okay, here as you can see, it has been downloaded. Now what we're gonna do is go to the T launcher, and remember you gotta select this at the Forge 1.21.1. Both versions which you download the mod for and the T launcher should be same. So now what I'm just gonna do is gonna click this folder icon here, and it's gonna take me to the directory of Minecraft folders. So here as you can see, you're gonna have to locate a folder named mods. So this is right here. If you don't have this, you're just gonna create one, okay? So you're just gonna double click on it and open it. Here I have already a previous one. So I'm just gonna go to downloads here. Okay, I can see, oh, this is it. I'm just gonna copy this, or, you know, cut it, and I'm gonna paste it right here, okay? So I've just saved the mod to the folder. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna launch my game, okay? So let's just launch it. So as you can see, it is compiling, so it's gonna take a while. So let's just wait, okay? Okay, it has already started. So in the mods, I'm gonna go to the mods and select this one. So I'm just gonna use this, okay? Okay, so basically now we're just gonna create a new world, and let's go towards creative mode. So we're just gonna create it quickly. As you can see, we're in it. So if we go towards this menu, as you can see, we have the mode unlocked and it's working. So let's go backpack. As you can see, we have so many backpacks right here. And yeah, the mod seems to work. So this was pretty much a tutorial on how to download and install the mods in your Minecraft in T Launcher. If you guys liked it, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.